Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. A lot of people don't realize that there are a lot of benefits to having a hood over top of your cooking surface. Here we're in front of a gas and electric range, but there's a lot of news coming out about the health effects of gas burning in your home and giving off carbon monoxide, which can cause health issues. If you have an overhead hood, you can help to eliminate those health issues by venting that hood outside. But if by chance you can't vent that hood outside, you'll have some filters that will clean that air and then send it up above back into the room. The other benefits of having an overhead hood is that you're not getting all that smoke up into the room that you're cooking in. So you may have some adverse effects to smoke, which most of us do, right? Or odors, which if you're cooking fish, I can tell you, I always get sick when I smell fish. So, I don't know about anybody else out there, but, venting that and not having that go out into the room would be a big plus. The other plus would be not having to use air fresheners or some type of air spray to clean that odor in the room. So if we can eliminate those air fresheners or eliminate any types of spray, you're going to be much healthier. So let the hood do what it needs to do. If you have any questions, be sure to comment. We'd love to hear, and we'd love to answer any questions you may have.